Today, I'm going to show you the 10 most effective push-up modifications that will increase your overall upper body mass, as well as completely define your pecs, allowing you to achieve your goals faster and more efficiently. Everyone knows of the classic push-up exercise. It's renowned for its efficiency in strengthening multiple parts of the body altogether. That said, push-ups are a very limited exercise. There's only so much progress you can gain from doing the same exercise again and again. Fortunately, with push-ups, they can be performed with a plethora of variations, successfully emphasizing different muscle groups and with greater intensity. Find what push-up works best for your body and you'll see definition and add muscle mass like never before, all from the comfort of your own home. Number 1, pike push-up. This exercise is an excellent movement to build up the shoulders and strength as it places great resistance on the deltoids. It promotes a wide range of rotation of the shoulders. Its starting position is more like an intense plank, which makes it good for core stability. The pike push-up uses no equipment and all of its resistance is solely from your own body weight. If you can do a conventional push-up, then you're capable of doing a pike push-up. How to do it? Start by doing a standard plank position on the ground, keeping your hands parallel with your shoulders. Moving your pelvis upward and forwards to form a triangle with your body. Move your torso forward and down with your hands remaining still while your chest rolls forwards. Your elbows should then bend towards the rear of your body as they do so, and not to the sides. Once your head is within several inches of touching the floor, simply reverse the motion to complete 1 rep. Important things to keep in mind: don't round your back and pelvis, as this makes it hard to maintain a good form. Setting your feet too close together can cause some level of instability, hence set them forward can also result in body instability. Don't perform the pike push-up with excessive momentum because it will effectively reduce its benefits. Number 2, archer push-ups. As one of the advanced variations, archer push-ups can promote strength building by training one side with greater intensity and focus. It seriously engages your pectoral muscles, all the while putting greater loading on one side of the body at a time. Thanks to its larger range of motion and the one-sided weight distribution, it translates to more intense reps, thus giving you a more intense workout with just your body weight alone. How to do it? Start in a high plank position with your arms straight and your hands wider than shoulder width apart.